In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book with HoneyBook through our client experience demo. This is a fantastic tool to streamline your booking process, ensuring that both you and your clients have a seamless experience from start to finish. Let's dive right in. First, the journey begins when you send your client a link. This can take the form of a proposal, scheduler, or contact form link, which you can send via email or include on your website. Ensure that this link is easily accessible so your client can click on it without any hassle. Once your client opens the link, they'll be prompted to fill in their details. This includes essential information such as their name and email, along with specifics about their event, like the date and type of service they're interested in. The aim here is to capture all the necessary details to tailor the experience to their needs. Next, your client will review the package and pricing options available. HoneyBook excels at clearly presenting the services you offer, complete with inclusions, customizable options, and total costs. This transparency allows clients to understand what they are getting and feel confident about their choices. After reviewing their options, the client will select a package that best suits their needs or confirm a pre-selected option that you've recommended. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for the services you'll provide and ensures that both parties are on the same page. Once the package is selected, the contract appears instantly in the same seamless flow. Clients can sign the contract electronically right then and there, making it both convenient and efficient. Encourage them to read through the contract carefully to ensure they agree with all the terms before signing. Following the contract signing, the payment page will appear. Depending on your settings, clients can choose to pay a deposit or the full amount. Payments can be made through card or bank transfer, offering flexibility to suit different preferences. This integration with payment processing makes the transaction swift and error-free. Finally, the booking is complete. Your client will automatically receive a confirmation email, giving them peace of mind that everything went through successfully. Meanwhile, you'll receive a notification inside HoneyBook, allowing you to stay updated on the status of your project. The project then becomes active in your workspace, ready for you to start planning and executing the client's vision. And there you have it, a straightforward process that enhances client interactions and simplifies booking for your business. HoneyBook not only improves client experience, but also helps you manage projects more efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy booking!